In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboards on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Alienware Pro Wireless. The Alienware Pro Wireless gaming keyboard offers a versatile gaming experience with its tri-mode connectivity options, allowing users to connect via Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB wired connections. Sporting a sleek lunar light finish, this keyboard features linear mechanical, hot swappable switches, enabling gamers to customize the feel, sound, and actuation to their liking. With a compact 75% layout and sound dampening silicone layers, it provides ergonomic and acoustically pleasing performance, while silicone footing enhances stability during intense gaming sessions. The keyboard also boasts onboard profiles, customizable key binds, and per-key RGB lighting with over 16.8 million color options through the Alienware Command Center software. On sale for $149.99, originally $199.99, it supports a 1 kHz polling rate for an uninterrupted gaming experience and is designed for customization and portability, making it an attractive option for serious gamers. Number 2. Perixx PERIBOARD. The Perixx PERIBOARD 535 Rode is a wired ergonomic mechanical split keyboard designed for comfort and efficiency, featuring low-profile red linear switches that enable speedy and precise typing. This full-sized keyboard promotes a natural typing posture through its split key design and adjustable tilt wrist rest, which helps alleviate strain on the wrists. It offers programmable keys, allowing users to customize key functions and set up to 10 macro shortcuts for streamlined workflow. The keyboard is compatible with Windows and Mac OS X systems, making it versatile for various users. With a durable 5.9-foot USB cable, it is suitable for PCs, laptops, and tablets, delivering both functionality and ergonomic benefits for office use. The product comes with a 30-day refund replacement policy and is well rated by users, highlighting its practicality and comfort features. Number 3. 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard. The 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard is a versatile and stylish gaming keyboard, featuring an 87-key layout and available in a classic N edition color. Designed for compatibility with Windows 10 and above, and Android 9.0 and above, it offers multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth 2.4G wireless and USB-C. Its scale box switch V2 white switches provide a responsive typing experience, while the hot swappable PCB allows for easy customization. The keyboard boasts dual super programmable buttons that enable instant mapping without software, a classic power status LED, and an independent control panel for enhanced usability. With a compact design measuring 14.83 inches by 6.68 inches by 1.84 inches, it's ideal for multimedia use. Highly rated with 4.7 stars from 940 users, it has rapidly gained popularity, with over 800 sold in the past month, all priced at $99.95. Number 4. SteelSeries USB Apex. The SteelSeries USB Apex 5 hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard combines cutting-edge features for an enhanced gaming experience. With its tactile and clicky hybrid blue switches, users benefit from the satisfying feedback of mechanical keys alongside the smoothness of a membrane. The keyboard boasts an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame, ensuring durability, and includes dynamic per-key RGB illumination that allows for customizable color schemes and effects. Its standout feature is the OLED Smart Display, which can showcase GIFs, game information, and Discord messages, making it a versatile addition for gamers on various platforms, including Windows, Mac, Xbox, and PlayStation. Additionally, the Apex 5 comes with a premium magnetic wrist rest for comfort during long gaming sessions. Rated 4.7 out of 5 stars from nearly 3,800 reviews, it is priced at $79.99, reflecting a 20% discount off its list price of $99.99. Number 5. DAS Keyboard 6 Professional. The DAS Keyboard 6 Professional is a high-end, wired mechanical keyboard designed for modern professionals and gamers alike. It features tactile Cherry MX brand switches that offer a soft, tactile experience with minimal noise, providing an exceptional typing experience with a lifespan of up to 100 million keystrokes. The keyboard includes white LED backlighting, allowing users to easily see the keys during day or night, thanks to its laser-etched shine-through keycaps. Built with a durable aluminum enclosure, the DAS Keyboard 6 Professional is not only stylish but also robust, ensuring longevity. Additional features include a handy oversized volume knob, media controls for seamless playback management, and a 2-port USB-C hub for effortless device connectivity. With full N-key rollover, NKRO, it guarantees that no key press is missed, making it ideal for fast typing and gaming sessions. This keyboard is a perfect blend of function and elegance, making it a favored choice among tech enthusiasts.